Welcome back to Dirt Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make dirt cake from scratch. Let's get started. Alright, first up we got 8 ounces of cream cheese and a half cup of butter. To that we're going to add half cup of powdered sugar. And we're just going to cream that together until it's well blended. Alright, now that we got that all blended together, we're going to work on our cream. We have 12 ounces of whipped topping. To that we're going to add 3.5 cups of milk. And we're going to add 2 packets of pudding. We have butterscotch and banana to give it an extra taste. Alright, and now we're just going to whisk that all together so it's well blended. Alright, now that that's all blended we've been blending that for 2 minutes. We're going to fold in our butter and sugar mixture. We're going to fold this in to make a nice thick cream. So we're going to fold this in there to thicken it up. Get it evenly spread in there. Alright, now that that's all folded in there, we're ready to assemble. Alright, now we're ready to assemble. We're going to start off by putting a layer of cookie crumbs at the bottom. Make sure we got a nice even coat on the bottom. Then we're going to put a dollop of the cream mixture, making sure that that's evenly spread across. And we're just going to repeat those layers until we've gotten the cup about halfway. Now that we're at this layer, we're going to hide some worms in there. A unique little surprise. And then we're going to make sure that the last layer that we add on is a layer of cookie. And then we're going to garnish that with another worm at the side. A couple rocks in there. And there we have it. And there we have dirt cakes. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.